Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be working on the car, but first off, Dad and I are going to go for a little whack at the golf course, or should I say driving range. Alright guys, so we're going to be heading off to the driving range like very soon, but the reason why I'm working on the car today is because, as you can see, when I press this in, no windy wipers. And look, when I go like this, no windy wipers, so hopefully it's a fuse. Up it! Oh! I shouldn't even be making this up. I'm not even Tiger Woods. Up it! Here we go. Fuck. See this? That's what happens when I hit it. Like it splits her. She goes crooked. Yeah, I'll blame the ball. Hope you guys enjoyed me hitting the golf ball like a madman, but yeah, I ended up hurting my back severely and also my hand, but you know, that's the price you have to pay when you act like a fuckhead all the time. So I'm just sitting in the passenger seat, mind all the grass clippings everywhere, but the fuse box is right under here, so I'll just try and get a better angle for you. See that screw there, right there, and that one over there, you just turn them and then the whole fuse box just, the fuse panel just pops down. Oh, fuck. Turn that one there and turn the other one and she pops down just like that. Alright, so the one that I'm looking for is the one right up the back there. So see the yellow one up the back, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, anyway, so I need to see this one all the way back here because that's the windscreen wiper ones. So 129, it's a 20 amp one, so hopefully that's the issue, but knowing my luck I'll have to replace the motors. Alright, so this is the culprit here. As you can see, the connector isn't broken, but as you can also see, the connectors are also really burnt. So hopefully this is the case, so I can just grab another 20 amp fuse from somewhere else and give it a whirl. Alright, so let's give it a go. Still nothing. Alright, so it's the motor. As you can hear, when I click the windscreen wipers, the relay is still working, so yeah. Alright, so let's pop open the bonnet and take off the front cowl and see if it's underneath. Alright, so I need to just take off the windscreen wipers and then take off all this, and then it should be around about here, but I could be wrong on this. So I got to it and it was all plugged in and everything like that, so I just unplugged it And I'm just seeing if I can see any debris under it. Yeah, I was just seeing if I can see any debris in there or anything like that. I don't know what this water's all about. Probably just for my jets. I've got worse things to worry about now. Fucking hell. I need to order these ones in like ASAP. Oh man. Alright, so I found the hoses that I need. But I need all 4 because as you can see, hang on, I'll just jump out here. As you can see, there's like a little clip that separates them. I don't know if you can see that, but look, see? So my mate Jamie has from this side down, so like I need that one there and the one below it. But he doesn't have this side over here. Or could I get away with not changing them ones? But it's going to bite me in the ass if I don't change them all at the same time. I'm going to give it a go, try and push it up. Oh, that's a little bit hot. Is she cooched? In theory, like, I could get away with not running these if I didn't want to have a heater, but you know, she's getting a bit cold, so I want to be able to run the heater, but I need to replace them, so that's all I need to do. I'm going to order them through OEM Denied. Shout out to them. If you're in Brisbane or in Australia, fucking what am I doing here? Face this one up here like that. Yeah, if you're in Australia, make sure you order through them. They have a wide variety, well known, good reputation, you know what to do. I wonder if I can just run some custom lines, so like go to Super Cheap or something like that and buy like maybe 2 meters of the hose that I need and run them instead of buying this hose here, buying that hose there, buying that hose down there, buying this one there, and then in like a few years time they're going to break out again because the plastic breaks. I wonder if I can just replace them like that. I wonder. Holy fuck, my downpipe is coated. Like, I mean coated. As you can see, that's what I could smell. Fucking, she was cooking on my bloody downpipe. Just a bag of goodies, collection from OEM Denied. Hopefully this stops all the coolant leaks. They're the heater hoses that you need, OEM Plus. So it's the next day, guys, and I've broke it up into a 3-day fucking video. I don't know why, I could have punched it in like 2 days. But I'm heading up to my mate's place, Zach's, and he's going to help me change this part out because, you know, I don't like working my car alone, and yeah, no, because I've got nothing else to do in the morning, so, you know, why not get some help from the boys? Fucking get these bad boys out, they're bloody shagged. Fucking xr5 is doing more bits for me. You can follow Zach at fucking, his Instagram will be on the screen right now. You can follow him there, because, you know, that's the payment today, it's just a follow. If you guys don't follow him, then he's gonna cry. You hear that?
What's
1,000k.
these bolts, bro?
It's just weight reduction. Fucking the new heater hoses are in because of this fucking legend over there. Fucking doing all the work. Like literally.
Keep putting that in.
Yeah, bro. You did all the work. I literally did nothing. He goes, oh, I want them done so I can go go-karting. So we're going go-karting again. And I'm gonna decimate him because, you know, 0 fucks given. But I need to just put on my intake. That's a hot intake, not a cold air.
Don't worry about that.
She's all fucking back together. Now Zach wants to show me his car. Real car right here.
Yeah,
No, this one here. fucking spoolie boy roll. So this is with the T51R mod that we're going to be reviewing in the next few videos or something. But Zach's just going to give you a little teaser. Listen to that little whistle. Fucking hell. Listen to it. God.
It's getting messy. I think we'll go sideways.
No, go the opposite way. So the handle first. So like there's a little bigger air bubble. Apparently that like. Oh, look at this. The Steve. Yet again, he's doing everything for me. She's a bit thirsty there, Zach, alright? Yeah, give it a dose, big fella. Zach on the film.
Give us a sneaky dose out of the window. Still a fuckus.
Still slow boy. Tank last night.
Half a tank.
Yeah, now she's fucking on empty again.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Is that just all from the sneaky dose on off throttle? Just pumping it in?
Too much dosage.
I reckon we need the pop tune on.
No pop tune on today, mate. She's not too bad. Fucking eat this crap tiver.
I'll get it on video for you.
Oh, here we go. I'll break traction because of this little sand shit on the fucking ground. Well, you won't give it the berries.
My old mate's looking at us. Josh the sloth.
He's got his number. Yeah,
What's up?
Josh.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
What are you doing? I should sleep later.
Yeah, don't hit him up the arse, Jaden.
She fucking spools up nicely, no? Snap this fucking shaft again. Oh yeah, is that Nick?
Where?
3 cars back? No. Loves it. Was filming me the whole time back to my place. Yeah, and then we raced 2 Lotuses, destroyed them. All on video too.
He's turned into YouTuber mode.
Just testing the yeah.
Show us all them doses you've been doing.
My car's stock, it's NA. Stock on the rock. Stock 323. Real turbo hectic. Hectic. She loves it. Off the tip.
What? You want to eat? Oh no, I won't say that.
Got no friends.